In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a landing page with Klaviyo. To begin, log into your Klaviyo account and look at the left-hand navigation menu. Find the section labeled Website and click it. When that area expands, choose Landing Pages. This takes you to the Landing Pages dashboard, where you can manage pages you have already built and start new ones. Next, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Create Landing Page. This opens a setup screen where you will define the basics of your page before you design it. Start by giving your landing page a clear name. This is mainly for internal organization, so use something descriptive that will be easy to find later, especially if you plan to create multiple pages. After that, add your landing page title. Think of this as the title visitors will associate with the page, so keep it aligned with the offer or message you are presenting. Then pick the subscriber list you want this landing page connected to. This matters because it determines where new signups will be stored in Klaviyo. Choose the list that matches your goal, such as a newsletter list or a list tied to a specific promotion, so your follow-up messaging stays organized. Once those details are set, click the Create Landing Page button. Klaviyo will generate the page and take you straight into the design editor. Now you are on the design page, where you can build the layout using drag-and-drop blocks. You can add elements like text, buttons, and images, and move them around until the page looks the way you want. As you design, keep the layout simple and easy to scan. Use clear text, make your main message obvious near the top, and place key content where it is easy to see. If you add a button, make the label direct so visitors know what will happen when they click it. When your design is finished and you are happy with how everything looks, go to the top right corner and click Publish. Publishing makes the landing page live and ready to share, and that covers everything you need to know.